Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quee. If you are new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's mukbang, y'all, we are doing some BLT sandwiches. I got 2 sandwiches. I just cut them in half, and bacon, lettuce, tomatoes. I did add Duke's mayo up here, and I just got some flaming hot Cheetos back here, and I'm just drinking water today. So y'all, how y'all doing? Let me know. I toasted my bread in the oven. I just put like some butter on it, and then I just put it in the oven. Oh, let me say grace. Amen. Let me get me a little bite in, y'all. I'm hungry. So good. Now today I'm 25 weeks pregnant. I'm halfway. I'm past halfway. Another girl added to the bunch, y'all. I got 2 girls already, so we were hoping for a boy this time, but we got another girl. Another little mini-me. I'm due next year, around February. My birthday is February 23rd, so she'll be here before then. Now this is my craving for the week. Every week I have something new that I crave. Last week I craved grits. So every morning when I made my breakfast, I had to make me some grits. I put cheese in them. And girl, I've been eating grits all week last week. The week before that, I was craving coffee. But I had to slack up on the coffee because, girl, it was giving me anxiety. Like, my heart was beating fast. So I had to do away with the coffee. I did have some today, though. But it was my first time having it in like 2 weeks. But I just was craving coffee. I was craving grits. Now this week, I'm craving something like fresh. Because I ate a salad the other day. So I'm craving like fresh stuff. So I was like, let me make me a little BLT. And it's so good, y'all. I got potato bread. My chips kind of stale. Yeah, my first trimester, I'm doing pretty good now. Now that I'm further along, but my first trimester, I was so sick. Y'all know I had the morning sickness. Well, I call it all day sickness because it's definitely not morning sickness, girl. You be sick all day. So I had like the all day sickness. I couldn't eat, but now my appetite has. So that's why I really wasn't doing videos that much, because I really couldn't eat. I was only eating like a little bit at a time. But now, girl, I'll be hungry as soon as I hit the floor in the morning. As soon as I hit the floor, my stomach be growling. I done gained like 15 pounds. My next appointment is next month, so we'll see how much I gain. I've been eating breakfast. I do like breakfast, but I don't like breakfast in the morning time. I usually don't eat early. I'm usually not an early eater, but now, since the pregnancy, I'm hungry as soon as I wake up. So I've been eating breakfast like every morning. But overall, y'all, this has been a good experience. I didn't know I was going to have another baby, so it was kind of a surprise to me. So yeah, it was kind of surprising to everybody. Because it's been, what, 7 years since I had a baby. My baby's 7. My oldest is 14. So all of them would be like 7 years apart. It's the tomatoes. If you follow me on my vlog channel, you would have already known that because I already announced it over there. But I'm like, I can't leave y'all hanging. I already announced my pregnancy on that channel, so it's always down below in the description box. So all you gotta do is go down there and click on it if you like vlogs and stuff. Y'all, it's been a while since I had pork bacon. Ain't nothing like it. You can't make no BLT with some turkey bacon. It just ain't crispy enough for me. Okay? You gotta have the pork bacon. It ain't crunchy enough. But I like turkey bacon. It's good, but when you're making like a sandwich or something, girl, you need the pork. Let me know if y'all agree. You need the pork when you eat a sandwich, a burger. And turkey bacon, you just don't hit on a sandwich like the pork. I think I'm gonna take a couple bites out of this one, y'all, and I'm gonna be done. I'm getting a little full already. My bread getting soggy already. I'm full already, but I'm gonna show y'all the my little bump in a minute. But I wanted to end the video off with my little quote. My quote for today is, y'all stand steady during the storm. I got this quote from TD Jakes on Sunday, on Sunday service. I usually watch his services on Sunday, and then I watch you know, Bible study on Wednesday, girl. But that was the message for Sunday. He was saying stand steady through the storm. You know, whatever you're going through, it may not seem like things are getting better for you at the time, but you know, you got to stay steady. You got to keep the faith, and you got to keep pushing. You can't give up. You just gotta stay steady. Anyway, stand steady through the storm. That's the quote for today. But anyway, let me show y'all my little bump before I go, because I'm full and it's hot as hell in here. Because I cut the fan off to record this video because I didn't want y'all to hear it. But here's my little bump, y'all. Here it is. 6 months today. And I feel like a pig. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty short, but I'm tired. I've been working all day. So I'll catch y'all on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my vlog channel. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.